Hello, and welcome back to Everyday English Talk, the podcast that helps you practice real English for daily life. I'm Anna.
And I'm Ben. We're so happy you're here again. In our last episode, we talked about going back to nature, why it's good, and what we can do outside.
Yes, nature is so important. But today, we'll go one step further. We'll talk about how to enjoy nature every day, not just on weekends or holidays.
That's right. Even if you live in a busy city, or you don't have much free time, there are still many small ways to connect with nature every day.
In this episode, we'll share easy ideas, useful phrases, and short practice sentences.
And of course, we'll also give you questions, so you can think and practice your own English.
Don't forget, you can download our free PDF transcript. It has today's script, vocabulary, and extra practice exercises.
You can read along while you listen, or use it to study later.
So, are you ready to bring more nature into your everyday life?
Let's get started.
So Ben, not everyone lives near the mountains, the forest, or the sea. Many people live in big cities. Do you think they can still enjoy nature?
Oh yes, definitely. Even in the city, nature is all around us. We just need to notice it.
Good point. For example, if there's a park near your home, you can go there for a short walk. Even 10 minutes in the park can make you feel fresh.
Exactly. Walking on the grass, looking at the trees, and hearing the birds, that's real nature, even in the city.
Another idea is to visit a garden. Many cities have flower gardens, community gardens, or small green areas.
Yes, and if you don't have a garden nearby, you can still enjoy small things, like a tree on your street or flowers outside a shop.
I like that. Sometimes people forget to look, but if you slow down, you can see beauty everywhere.
That's true. Another way to enjoy nature in the city is to sit outside, maybe at a cafe with plants, or even just on a bench near your building.
Oh, I love that. Sitting outside, feeling the fresh air and watching people and birds. It feels simple, but it's relaxing.
And don't forget about water. Some cities have rivers, lakes, or fountains. Spending time near water can be very calming.
Yes, watching water move, listening to the sound, it makes you feel peaceful.
And here's another small idea. Look up at the sky. Even in a busy city, the sky is free. You can see clouds in the day or stars at night.
That's so true. Sometimes I finish work late, and I just look at the night sky for 1 minute. It makes me feel calm.
Me too. And if you can't always go outside, you can bring nature inside your home.
Oh, like a plant on your desk or in your room?
Yes. A green plant, or even some flowers in a vase, can make your home feel more natural.
That's a great idea. Nature doesn't always have to be far away. Sometimes it's right where we are.
Now let's practice some useful phrases. Go for a walk. I go for a walk in the park.
Fresh air. I like the fresh air outside.
Green area. There is a small green area near my home.
Sit outside. We sit outside at the cafe.
Look at the sky. I look at the sky at night.
So, listeners, remember, even in a busy city, there are many ways to enjoy nature.
That's right. You just need to look around and take a small moment.
What's one simple way you enjoy nature in your city?
Do you like walking in a park, sitting outside, or maybe just looking up at the sky?
Share your answer with us. We'd love to hear how you connect with nature in your everyday life. So, Ben, in the last part we talked about enjoying nature in the city. But what if people can't go outside often?
Good question. The answer is simple. You can bring nature inside your home.
Oh, that sounds interesting. How can we do that?
The first idea is to have plants. A green plant on your desk, in your room, or even in your kitchen can make you feel closer to nature.
Yes, I have a small plant on my desk. When I look at it, I feel more relaxed.
Me too. Plants make the air fresher, and they add color to the room.
Another way is fresh air. If you open the window every day, you can feel the wind and hear the sounds outside.
That's true. Just 5 minutes of fresh air can make your home feel different.
And don't forget about sunlight. Sunlight makes a room bright and warm. It also gives us energy.
Right. I always open my curtains in the morning. It makes me feel ready to start the day.
Same here. Sunlight makes me happy, especially in winter.
Another way to bring nature inside is with flowers. Fresh flowers add beauty and smell nice too.
Oh yes, a vase with flowers can change the feeling of a whole room.
And here's a fun idea, pets. Having a pet, like a dog, cat, bird, or even fish, can make your home feel alive.
That's true. Pets give us company and bring energy into the house.
Of course, not everyone can have pets, but even pictures of nature, like photos of trees, beaches, or mountains, can remind you of the outdoors.
Good point. When you look at those pictures, your mind feels calm, just like being in nature.
Now let's practice some useful phrases. Green plant. I have a green plant on my desk.
Open the window. I open the window for fresh air.
Curtains. I open the curtains in the morning.
Fresh flowers. Fresh flowers make the room beautiful.
Pets. Pets bring life to the home.
So you see, even if you can't always go outside, you can bring small parts of nature into your home.
That's right. A plant, some sunlight, fresh air, flowers, or pets. These little things make a big difference.
Do you have plants, flowers, or maybe pets in your home?
And how do they make you feel more relaxed, happier, or maybe more energetic?
We'd love to hear your answer. Share it with us. So, Ben, we've talked about enjoying nature in the city and bringing nature into your home. But what about small daily habits? Things we can do every single day?
Good idea. Small daily habits can make a big difference. Let's think of some simple ones.
Well, one easy habit is walking. Instead of always using the bus or motorbike for short trips, you can walk. Walking outside lets you see trees, hear birds, and feel the air.
Yes. Even a short 10-minute walk can give you energy. And it's healthy too.
Another habit is drinking tea or coffee outside, maybe on your balcony, in your backyard, or even near a window.
That's true. I sometimes drink my morning coffee on the balcony. I watch the sky, breathe fresh air, and it feels so nice.
I love that too. Another simple habit is eating one meal outside. If you have a small garden, or even just a quiet spot outside, you can enjoy breakfast or lunch there.
Yes, food always tastes better in fresh air.
Here's another idea. Look at the sky every day. In the morning, you can see the sun or clouds. At night, you can see the stars or the moon.
I like that. It makes you feel connected to the world.
And what about breaks? Sometimes when I study or work, I take a short nature break. I go outside for 5 minutes, look at a tree, and then go back to work.
That's a smart idea. A short break in nature helps you relax and focus again.
Yes, and don't forget sounds. You can listen to birds, wind, or even rain. That's also a way to connect with nature every day.
True. And if you can't hear real nature sounds, you can play nature sounds from your phone, like ocean waves or forest sounds.
Yes, that's a great tip.
Now, let's practice some useful phrases. Drink coffee outside. I drink my coffee outside on the balcony.
Take a nature break. I take a nature break during work.
Listen to birds. I listen to birds in the park.
So listeners, remember, you don't need big plans. Just small daily habits can bring nature into your life.
That's right. Walk, drink outside, eat outside, look at the sky, or take a short nature break. Simple, easy, and powerful.
What's one small daily habit you can do to enjoy nature more?
Maybe it's taking a short walk, opening your window for fresh air, or just noticing the sky.
Share your idea with us, we'd love to know. All right, listeners, now it's time for your practice challenge.
Yes, we'll give you 3 parts today: listening, speaking, and writing. Let's begin.
Challenge 1. Listening. Listen to this episode again and try to find these answers. What are 3 easy ways to enjoy nature in the city?
What are 2 ways to bring nature into your home?
What are 2 small daily habits to connect with nature?
You can pause, repeat, and write down what you hear.
Challenge 2. Speaking.
Now let's practice speaking. Repeat after us, or make your own sentences. I walk in the park. I drink tea outside.
I open the window for fresh air. I look at the stars at night.
I take a short nature break.
Try saying them slowly first, then again a little faster. Practice makes your English stronger.
Challenge 3. Writing.
Finally, let's practice writing. Write a short paragraph, 3-5 sentences, about how you enjoy nature every day.
Here's an example. I live in the city, but I still enjoy nature. I open my window in the morning for fresh air. I drink my coffee outside. At night, I look at the stars. These small habits make me happy.
Now, write your own version in your notebook, or, if you like, share it in the comments to inspire others.
Great work, listeners. You listened, you spoke, and you wrote.
Yes, step by step your English and your connection with nature will grow. Wow, Ben, we shared so many ideas today about enjoying nature every day.
Yes, we did. Let's do a quick review for our listeners.
Okay, idea number 1. You can enjoy nature even in the city. Parks, gardens, trees on the street, or even the sky. They are all nature.
Idea number 2. You can bring nature into your home. For example, with green plants, fresh air from an open window, sunlight, flowers, or pets.
Idea number 3. Small daily habits. You can go for a short walk, drink your tea or coffee outside, eat a meal outside, look at the sky, or take a short nature break.
Yes. And remember, nature doesn't have to be far away. It can be simple, close, and easy.
The more you use them, the more natural your English will sound.
And don't forget, small steps every day make a big change in both English and in life.
Today, we learned simple ways to enjoy nature in daily life.
Yes, in the city, at home, and with small habits.
You don't need much time or money. Just open a window, walk in a park, or look at the sky.
Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to download the free PDF transcript with today's script and vocabulary.
See you next time for another fun English topic.
Bye for now.